didn't think I needed to, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking for bargains for their home, right? Everyone, and welcome back to another video. I really hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm bringing you a small Home Bargains haul. I nipped over to Home Bargains the other day and it just happens to be close to my Lidl, so I thought let me just go in and see what it is that they have in there, and I managed to pick up some great items, so I wanted to share with you exactly what I got. So if you like this type of content, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you are new here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Yvonne. I'm all about motherhood and lifestyle, so you will get a variety of things in this channel. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and to make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video goes live. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the haul. And the first thing that I purchased were these beautiful Peony 4 flowers. So these are the Peony bunch cream flowers and they are absolutely beautiful. We all know in this channel how I feel about fake plants and artificial flowers. I just love them because they're forever, so why not? So I have this beautiful vase in my front room that has these beautiful bunch of flowers, but they only fill like 75% of the vase, so I managed to pick these up. But I think I might actually end up getting a bunch of these and getting a round vase and then making that round vase of flowers, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And these were only $2.79, so I think that that's an absolute bargain. So I love these and I'm gonna definitely go back for more. I also managed to pick up a 3-ring pool. So I don't have a garden, but I have a small balcony, and every time I've looked for like a little ring pool, they've not had one, and I just love that my son absolutely loves water, so any excuse to be in the water, and there's only so many times you can have the bath to be honest. So I've been looking for one of these, and this is perfect, and it is basically really tiny. It is 107 centimeters by 25 centimeters, or 42 inches by 10 inches, so it's pretty big-ish, but I think it should be fine for my small balcony, and he can at least sit out there. We can sit out there, I can read a book, or at least pretend to read a book, and he can be in the water. So I think this works out perfectly fine. It also works great if we do go to my mom's house and he can, you know, she's got a bigger garden, so he can use that there. And I think this was less than £5, so absolute bargain, because everywhere else that I've been looking for have had these massive pools, and obviously it's just not convenient if you don't have a huge space. So I absolutely love that. I also picked up this Glade automatic spray, and you get 2 for 1. You get 2 for 1. It's a twin refill, and I absolutely love this. This is the Relaxing Zen scent, and I absolutely love these. They kind of just sit in my hallway and they just spray out depending on how often you want it to spray out, but this particular smell is absolutely fantastic. I love it. And then I've seen so many people talk about this particular product that when I saw it, I had to get it. In fact, it was the last one there. So this is the Leonor Crease Releaser. Now, as far as I'm aware, you don't actually have to iron things, and one of my pet peeves is thinking about ironing bed sheets, because so I came across this, and apparently you don't have to iron to get the creases out. So I like to iron our clothes, so I don't mind doing that, but it's just things like bed sheets that just seem a little bit, one, inconvenient, and too big. So it's just, I'm just not one of those people who iron their bed sheets. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna put my hands up, I don't do it, but I do love the look of crisp bed sheets, and you know, when you just tuck yourself in and they're nice and fresh and clean, oh, there's nothing like it. So I saw this and I've seen so many people use it on their bedding, and it just looks fantastic, so I thought I'd pick that up. Now I wish I'd picked up more, because I just know that it will give great results, but like I said, there were hardly any there left, so I just picked one up and I'll give it a go and I'll let you know how it works out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I'm pretty sure I will be documenting it on Instagram, so I'll leave my Instagram in the description box below. Now, one thing I love about Home Bargains is that they genuinely have bargains on bath stuff, so I managed to pick up these. Now, I love simple products, especially their bath stuff. I really do enjoy it. So this is their refreshing shower gel, and I love it. Whenever I can, I will pick it up because it works so well. It's sensitive enough for my skin and it's sensitive enough for my son's skin, so it means that we don't necessarily have to have two separate types of bath washes. So this works out perfect, so I picked up 2 of those. And then whilst we were in the beauty aisle, I thought I'd pick up some face masks because I'm hoping to do a day in the life kind of vlog, or maybe like a even skincare routine vlog, and I thought I needed some masks. Now I picked up 2 types that I'm willing to try out, and I'm hoping they look really good. So the first one is this Nourishing face mask, and it's a clay mask, and it says it has 2 applications. I guess that's pretty much it. So this is the shea butter, and I also picked up the avocado one as well. So I'm hoping to give those a try, and hopefully they will work really, really well. And it's supposed to rejuvenate and nourish your skin, so I'm excited for that. I also managed to pick up these cold collagen rejuvenating hydrogel masks are supposed to rejuvenate and firm your skin. So how exciting are those? I've never tried one of these before, but I really want to give it a go and try, because I've never ever done anything to rejuvenate my skin because, well, I didn't think I needed to, but I've been told that they're really, really good, so I'm gonna try them out and hopefully they will work fantastically. So make sure to follow me on Instagram to see how they work. But I'm hoping to also do a dedicated YouTube video for that, so please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when that video goes live. And obviously, because we've been washing our hands so much, I'm running out of hand cream. So I saw this Cretan's hand cream that's got argan oil in it, and I thought I would give it a go. And it's got argan oil and pro vitamin B5, and it's supposed to intensively moisturize dry hands, which is what I have. So I've been looking forward to trying this out because I've got a variety of hand creams in my house, and I find that sometimes they're just not moisturizing enough. So I'm hoping that this one works out really, really well. So it's pretty thick actually, as you can see, and I'm hoping it is amazing. So it's always good to moisturize your hands while you can. Oh, that's really lovely actually, and it's really nice and creamy as well. Oh, I really like that. I also managed, I forgot that I had this as well, but I managed to pick up one of these foot packs because why not? I need to make sure that my feet are absolutely soft to the touch and looking amazing, especially now that the sun has come back. And I'm pretty sure this week we're supposed to be having great weather, and you know, that just means sandals are coming out. Sandals, flip-flops, everything is coming out when my toes are going to be exposed and my feet are going to be exposed, so they need some TLC. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do this tonight. I'm gonna scrub my feet and I am going to put them in this foot pack because I've heard such great reviews about this, so I'm willing to give that a go and see how that works out. And then whilst I was there, I also picked up these amazing books. My son, to be fair, actually my son saw them and he really wanted them, and so I thought I'd pick up some of them. They were only 89p. So these are these cute, like these are the playful animals. This is the Playful Puppy, and you're supposed to join Puppy and all his park friends as they hunt for missing ball in this fun story. So they had a series of this. They had the Playful Puppy, but they've also got the Cheeky Monkey, which I think is quite cool. He's supposed to be getting through, he plays lots of mischievous tricks on his jungle friends. And the Loud Lion. So the Loud Lion shows his new roar to all his friends in this cute story. So I'm hoping that we can read them, and I'm also hoping that we use it as an opportunity for him to recognize his alphabet and to start learning his phonics and pronunciations. So I'm hoping that we can do that, and you know, if he learns it off by heart, even better, because that just means I'm reading a lot and he's enjoying the reading. So, and then I also picked up this cordial drink because it was on offer. I think it was only 49p, but it is the crushed apple and cinnamon, so it's slightly out of season, and I think that's why it was on offer, but I'm willing to give it a go. I don't mind drinking things out of season. It's been a bit cold, so you can try it warm as well. How exciting, because I'm always looking for a hot drink and cool drink, so I think I might do both and try it out. I think I might make like a nice cordial summer fizz drink, so I think that would be really nice if, for example, you added it with sparkling water and made something out of it. Don't quote me on that, but I'm hoping to give it a go. So that is pretty much everything that I got apart from home bargains. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe, as well as make sure you share this, because sharing is caring, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking for bargains for their home, right? I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person who's been stuck doing home renovations. So please make sure to share the video to those that you know will enjoy this type of content. And until the next video, thank you so much for all your support. Take care. Bye.